guys! Welcome to our vlog.
Challenge kasi kami ni Kim, di ba? Pinakain namin siya ng ampalaya. Ito, yan o.
Yummy.
Yummy.
Bilang kapalit daw ng ginawa namin sa kanya na pagkain ng ampalaya dahil inaccept niya ang challenge namin, inubos niya yung ampalaya. So, ito naman daw ang kapalit.
Dapat niya, hindi minubos yung pala eh.
So, kakainin daw namin. O, sige, na.
Nakahanda na yung milk mo, ha?
3, 2, 1, start.
Yeah.
Let's eat na.
Let's see the reaction.
Nag-i-start. Ikaw nga dyan ng ano eh.
Kaya ko yan.
Parang takot eh.
Hindi kaya ko yan. Ako pa, busin ko yan. Wow, sarap.
Try and keep it away from your tongue.
Keep it away from your tongue daw. Para
Don't put it straight on your tongue.
Paano yun?
Paano yun?
To the side. I don't
Itang
know.
yung nag-ano sa'yo.
Oo,
Naka-lips.
Baka lips, Kin.
Oh yeah.
Lips yun, hindi
Yeah,
tongue.
keep it away from your lips.
Oh, nararamdaman ko na.
That's a big ass. You gonna eat that all?
Yes.
Go for it.
Kutsarahin mo naman eh. Klase yan.
I think.
Hindi ko kaya to. Papatayin mo kami, Kim. Naka-on na?
Yeah, it's on.
Kaya yan, may milk naman.
I need bread.
Challenge yan eh, challenge eh. Bread daw, Kin.
Bread. Yeah, that's true. I said bread earlier. You said my bread. Okay, one sec. I'll be right back, guys, with the bread. Back with the bread, y'all. There, feeling it. Hold up, bro. Let me get a bite of that. Let me get a bite. You guys are making me ink it.
Tinulungan pa kami ha. Kawawa na, nahawa ka sa amin ha.
No, I just want to eat. It looks good.
Naka-on ba yan?
This? Yeah, it's on.
Tanggal na sipong ko dito ah. For the challenge po.
Yeah, I saw it.
For the challenge po to. No choice.
Challenge accepted.
That's hot.
Ayan guys, oh.
Kaya yan. Nilalakayan ko na nga subok para mabus agad.
That's a
Para
spirit.
matapos na. O, diba? Para masakop ko na si Mami, para konti na kakain ni Mami.
Big bite, big bite, big bite. How are you guys feeling?
Feeling good.
Okay.
Okay lang kasi may sipon ako eh. Gusto ko matanggal sipon ko eh.
I'm kind of hungry. How do I open this with one hand? Okay, I'm gonna cut for a sec. Just a bit left, just a bit left. Almost there.
Dami ko sinubo eh.
Almost there. Almost there.
Ay, wala ko.
Almost there.
Ito naman ito.
Ang dami ko sinubo. Ang lalaking subo. Ikaw, konti lang sa'yo.
Hindi ako OA.
Pinahirapan mo kami, Kin. Ginantihan mo kami ha.
Buti pa kumain na ang palaya dito eh.
Almost done.
Oo nga, kung pinakain mo lang kami ang palaya eh.
Para nag-aapoy ng bunganga ko.
Buti nga, may milk ka eh. Ako na, huling subo, nakakaya naman sa'yo. Oh.
Nabitin ako Nabitin pa
Hey, guys, let's see how long you can last without milk. No, I'm just kidding. Finish.
Finish!
Yan.
Finish, di ba?
Challenge accepted. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy. Nag-aapoy-apoy yun. Parang may fire yung bunganga ko.